Hello everyone, and welcome to our channel. Are you dreaming of a retirement filled with leisure, travel, and worry-free financial security? In this video, we're going to explore the 8 essential assets that can have your path to financial freedom in retirement. Retirement doesn't have to be a distant fantasy. With the right strategies and assets in place, you can create a future where your money works for you, allowing you to enjoy the retirement lifestyle you've always envisioned. So, without further ado, let's dive into the key ingredients that will help you achieve financial freedom in retirement. 1. Real estate. For a number of reasons, real estate can be a major factor in reaching retirement financial independence. For example, rental payments from real estate can be a reliable source of income. You can create passive income from your rental properties to help fund your retirement. Real estate typically sees value appreciation over time. Special advantages that come with real estate include possible property appreciation, rental income, and inflation protection. Furthermore, real estate investments can provide a change of pace from more conventional financial assets. 2. Growth and dividend stocks for regular income. One of the keystones of creating a solid retirement fund is investing in a mix of growth and dividend equities. Through prudent investment allocation towards enterprises that have a stable revenue stream and the possibility of long-term capital growth, people can ensure a consistent flow of income while concurrently promoting the gradual building of wealth. As a result, investing in dividend stocks can be a smart way to secure your retirement and become financially independent. 3. Bonds. It is true that investing in bonds, especially those with reduced risk profiles and regular interest payments, can be quite important for achieving financial independence in retirement. Because they provide a steady stream of income, bonds are especially appealing to retirees who need steady cash flow to cover their living needs. They offer a sense of security that is particularly vital for those in their retirement years who are trying to protect their investment because they are less risky than equities. 4. Business ownership. Owning a business can be a keystone for reaching financial independence in retirement. Ownership of a business gives people the chance to actively engage in wealth generation and decision-making processes, unlike typical investments like stocks or bonds. Profitable enterprises can turn a healthy profit, giving its owners a steady flow of cash to maintain their retirement lifestyle. 4. Intellectual property. Royalties from books, copyrights, and innovations are examples of intellectual property and can be a valuable source of retirement income. These assets are original works of art with the potential to produce passive income streams in the future. Copyrights protect artists' works, while authors receive royalties from book sales and inventors receive licensing fees from patented products. 5. Private equity. Investing in private equity. Purchasing private equity offers an attractive route to retirement financial independence, especially when it comes to high-return private enterprises. Due to its capacity to acquire promising companies before they go public, private equity frequently outperforms public market investments in terms of future returns. Retirees can take advantage of growth prospects. 6. Cash-flowing assets. Cash-flowing assets, including equipment, tools, machinery, and websites with ad revenue, are essential for achieving financial freedom in retirement. These assets generate more income than the costs associated with holding them, providing a steady stream of cash flow. Whether through renting out equipment, utilizing tools for freelance work, or monetizing websites with advertisements, these assets offer a reliable source of income that can support a comfortable retirement lifestyle. 7. Expert skills. A crucial route to reaching retirement financial independence is to make use of specialized talents, such as become a social media influencer or social media celebrity. These people leverage their knowledge and personal brand to draw in connections and followers, which results in profitable chances for collaborations, sponsorships, and sponsored content. By accepting these positions, people can transform their passion and area of expertise into a reliable source of income, opening the door to a happy and secure retirement. In conclusion, it takes discipline, planning, and wise decision-making to achieve financial freedom in retirement. You can ensure a comfortable future by making savings a priority, making informed investments, and diversifying your sources of income. Recall that while it's never too late to start retirement planning, you'll have more possibilities if you do so sooner rather than later. Retirement can be happy and worry-free if you have the correct plans and are determined. Thank you for joining us in this journey towards financial freedom. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell icon for more valuable insights.